love. Kris Matte Powder Foundation. Hi everyone, this is Senpi Hakani or Ilocana Caregiver. Welcome to my channel or welcome to our channel, guys. I'm gonna do today is this one. Nakabisa ko ngayon dahil lalabas ako, day off ko ngayon for a few hours kasi meron akong pupuntahan na pageant. Mag-i-sponsor lang ako, guys. Kaya medyo bihis-bihis po tayo kahit winter, nakaganyan po tayo. May coat naman ako. So, ito guys, unahin ko yung